Hello students, today we will learn one simple illustration how to compute the tax liability in case of individual, assessment of individual. See the question, example illustration. The total income of Mr. A is rupees 15 lakh. The total income includes long-term capital gain of rupees 2 lakh, short-term capital gain of at 15% rupees 1 lakh, winning from lotteries rupees 50,000. Find out his tax liability if he is aged 58 year, if he aged 73 year, if he aged 84 year. So here they have given different age group. So in the different age group, what is the tax liability we have to compute? So here the total income of Mr. A is given. Total income of Mr. A. Mr. A means he is an individual person, individual assessee. So we have to apply the procedure of assessment of individual. How to compute the assessment of individual total income, that procedure we have to follow, and the tax liability of assessment of individual here. So here the total income given 15 lakh. Total income given 15 lakh. It includes long term capital gain 2 lakh. So on 2 lakh income, special rate of 20% is applicable. See here, total income directly given. So here in this question, the total income directly given. Balance is total income. We have to apply the condition. No need to proceed for the previous step. Directly total income given. So we have to directly proceed to the tax liability. So on special rate we have to, if there is a short term capital gain, it is 15%, long term capital gain 20%, casual income 30%. So in this question, there is a long term capital gain 2 lakh. So on 2 lakh income 20%, short term capital gain 15%. So 1 lakh into 15%. Winning from lotteries 50,000 income. So that is on this income 30% tax we have to levy from the Mr. A. Mr. A has to liable for the tax. So this one we have to take first. After that, on balance income. So from the 15 lakh, if we deduct this income, we'll get one balance income. On balance income, so we have to apply this tax slab. So there is a 3 cases. For the 3 cases, we have to apply these 3 different tax slabs. Okay. Now we'll see one by one. Yeah, here Mr. A, his total income how much? 15 lakh. His total income is 15 lakh. See here. Deduct 12,500 if total income does not 5 lakh. So if total income is less than 5 lakh, then we can deduct 12,500. So here in this illustration, his total income is exceeding 5 lakh. So no tax rebate. If total income exceeds 50 lakh, then he can add surcharge. He has to add surcharge. But here his total income does not exceed 50 lakh. It is just 15 lakh. It does not exceed 50 lakh. So here surcharge also not applicable. So now we'll compute for the first case. If he is aged 58 year, what is his tax liability? So write the heading. So write the heading solution computation of tax liability of Mr. A for the assessment year 2020-21 if he aged 58 year. So 58 years means he comes under other case, others. Okay. Now draw 3 column, particulars and 2 amount column. Particulars and 2 amount column. So in order to find out tax liability, first we have to compute the income on long term capital gain, short term capital gain, and winning from lotteries at a special rate. So what is the special rate? Firstly we will take long term capital gain 2 lakh income. So on long term capital gain we have to take first. So what is the income long term capital gain? 2 lakh. So on 2 lakh income, what is the tax rate? Here on 2 lakh income, 20%. So 2 lakh into 20% is equal to 40,000. Next, secondly, on short term capital gain. So what is the amount of short term capital gain? That is 1 lakh. So on 1 lakh income it is 15% tax. So that is 15,000. Next, thirdly, on winnings, winning from lotteries. So winnings, how much here given? 50,000 rupee. So on 50,000 income, what is the tax rate? Winnings, lottery, casual income is taxed at 30%. So 50,000 into 30% is equal to 15,000. So total how much? 40 plus 30,000, 70,000 is the total tax. Now we have to see the format. So calculating tax liability, first we have to tax for the special rate on long term, short term and casual income. After that, normal rate is applicable for the balance income. On balance income, normal rate is applicable as per the according to tax slab applicable for the assessment year. So now we have to find what is the balance income. So on balance. So now we have to find on balance income. So how to find balance income? So total income is 15 lakh minus the income already computed. Taxed is how much? Long term capital how much? 2 lakh income is taxed. Then 1 lakh income is taxed. Then 50,000 income is taxed. So what is the balance income? Balance income 15 lakh minus 2 lakh minus 1 lakh minus 50,000 is equal to 11 lakh 50,000. Okay, 11 lakh 50,000 is a income. So on 11 lakh 50,000 income, this is a balance income how much? 11 lakh 50,000. So on this income we have to apply the tax slab. Okay, on 11 lakh 50,000 income we have to apply tax slab. So on balance income we have to apply tax slab. So this is the tax slab for the assessment year 2020-21. So in the first case, what is the case? If he is aged 58 years, that is others case. So we have to apply the column. Aged 58 years means below 60 years. So we have to apply the condition of this 2,50,000, 2,50,000, 5 lakh and tax rate and 10 lakh. Tax rate is you have to use this. Okay. Now we will take one by one. So this is a balance income 11 lakh 50,000 total balance income. See, put a box here. 11 lakh 50,000 is a balance income. So on this income we have to apply tax slab. So as per tax slab for the income tax assessment year 2020-21, first 2,50,000 for the others case below 60 year. First 2,50,000 is nil. Next 2,50,000 5%. Next 5 lakh income. Next 5 lakh income 20%, and above 10 lakh income 30%. So that we have to write here. So first, so we have 11 lakh 50,000 income here. So means above 10 lakh, till above 10 lakh case we get above 10 lakh income. So we can write one by one. First on first 2,50,000 income. On first 2,50,000 nil. Nil means 0% tax. It is nil. Next on next 2,50,000 income 5% tax. So 2,50,000 into 5% is equal to 12,500. Next on first 2 lakh. Next 5 lakh income 20% tax. So 5 lakh 1 lakh. It is 1 lakh. 5 lakh into 20% 1 lakh. So next as per condition, what is that? After 5 lakh 5 lakh at 20%. Next, balance income. On balance income, that is above 10 lakh, 30%. See here, don't see the total income. Don't see this total income. So what is the balance income here? Balance income is 11 lakh 50,000, isn't it? So in the 11 lakh 50,000, we have to this 11 lakh 50,000 we have to apply tax slab. In that 10 lakh income is taxed. So now what is the balance income? Above 10 lakh means 1 lakh 50,000. 11 lakh 50,000 minus 11 lakh 50,000 minus 10 lakh equal to 1 lakh 50,000 is a value above 10 lakh, isn't it? So we have to write balance. What is the balance we got here? 1 lakh 50,000. On 1 lakh 50,000, that is above 10 lakh means 1 lakh 50,000 we have to apply 30%. So if you find difficult to take like 11 lakh 50,000 minus 10 lakh is equal to 1 lakh 50,000, we can directly take. If you find difficult, then you can compute like 11 lakh 50,000 minus this one we have to deduct 2 lakh 50,000 minus 2 lakh 50,000 minus 5 lakh. So that is nothing but 1 lakh 50,000. So on 1 lakh 50,000, 30% we have to take tax. So 1 lakh 50,000 into 30% is equal to 45,000. Now we have to total 1 lakh 25 plus 1 lakh plus 45,000. How much? That is 1 lakh 57,500. So if you total 1 lakh 57,500 plus 70,000, that is 2 lakh 27,500. 2 lakh 27,500. So after computing tax slab, next we have to apply tax rebate. So that is we have to deduct less deducting the tax rebate, that is under section 87A. So it says if total income does not exceeds rupees 5 lakh. If total income does not exceeds rupees 5 lakh, then we have to deduct tax rebate of 12,500. So here we can't deduct because total income is 15 lakh. So same value we have to take 2 lakh 27,500. Next case, next it says that add surcharge. We have to add surcharge. So add surcharge. So in case of surcharge, it says that if total income exceeds rupees 50 lakh, then only we have to add surcharge. So in this illustration, the total income is just 15 lakhs. We can't add surcharge. So surcharge also nil. 2 lakh 27,500 same. Next, as per format, next it says that add health and education cess at 4%. So next add health and education cess at 4%. So how much? 2,27,500 into 4% is equal to 9,100. So total 2,36,600 is a tax liability. Tax liability. So Mr. A, if he is aged below 60 years, that is aged 58 years in this question, at that time he has to pay tax, that is 2,36,600 tax he has to pay for his total 15 lakh income. Okay. Next next we'll compute the tax liability for the second case if he is aged 73 years. If he is aged 73 years means he is a comes under aged 60 to 80 years, so he is a senior citizen. So we have to apply this case, first column case. So right heading, that is computation of tax liability if he aged 73 years. So he comes as a so if he aged 73 years, so he comes under senior citizen. So draw 3 column, particulars and 2 amount column. So if in case of age, only tax slab case calculation will be differs. So the first part, special rate case, income calculated on special rate is same. So for this illustration, you can copy the same till here, apply in tax slab. So the tax slab calculation will be differs. So till here it is same. So I'll copy same as it is first. So see here, as it is, first on long term capital gain 2 lakh income 40,000, on short term capital 1 lakh 15% means 15,000, on winnings 50,000 income 30% means 15,000. So total income tax he has to pay on special at a special rate is 70,000. So next on balance income he has to apply tax slab. So balance income you have to compute like total income, how much his total income 15 lakh minus the income already taxed, how much, that is 2 lakh minus 1 lakh minus 50,000 is equal to, that is 11 lakh 50,000 will get balance income. So on 11 lakh 50,000 income we have to apply tax slab. So here while deducting balance income, be careful, should not deduct this duty value. You have to deduct the income value. We are finding the balance income, not balance duty. Okay, so we are finding the balance income. So for the total income, from the total income we have to deduct income, not the duty. So 15 lakh minus 2 lakh minus 1 lakh minus 50,000 is equal to 11 lakh 50,000 income. On this income we have to apply tax slab. Now let's apply the tax slab on the balance income, 11 lakh 50,000 income. So he is aged 73 years, senior citizen. Okay, so that is 73 years means senior citizen. So here we have to take first 3 lakh income 0% nil. For the next 2 lakh income 5%, next 5 lakh income 20%, above 10 lakh income 30%. So difference will be there in the 2 lakh income 5% we have to take, and the 3 lakh income 0%. So we'll calculate. So first on first 3 lakh income, exemption is given. On first 3 lakh income it is 0% nil. Next 2 lakh income he has to pay 5% tax, that is 10,000. Next 5 lakh income he has to pay 20% tax, that is same for the previous case also, 1 lakh. Next we have to take balance income. So what is the balance here? From 11 lakh 50,000 above 10 lakh means same 1 lakh 50,000. 1 lakh 50,000 balance, 1 lakh 50,000 income he has to pay 30%. That is same as previous one, that is 45,000. So balance income we have to compute like 11 lakh 50,000 minus, here we have to, in order to compute balance income we have to take total income, the given in the question. Total income means the value computed here. Here we have to compute the balance like 11 lakh 50,000 means minus this income, tax income so taxed. So that is balance income is 1 lakh 50,000. So 1 lakh 50,000 into 30%, that is 45,000. Now total this 1 lakh 45 plus 10. So that is 1,55,000. 1,55,000 and add 1,55,000 plus 70,000, that is 2,25,000 is the tax. 2,25,000. Next, similarly as per previous, tax rebate under section 87A, that is nil if total income does not exceeds 5 lakh. So here 15 lakh it is, so nil. 2,25,000. Sorry, this is deducting tax rebate deduction. Add surcharge if total income less than, here it is, if total income does not exceed rupees 5 lakh. Surcharge if total income exceeds 50 lakh. So this is also nil here. So 2,25,000. Nextly we have to add health and education cess. That is at 4% is calculated on duty. 2,25,000 into 4%, that is 9,000. So total tax liability is 2,34,000. Next we have to find for the third case if he aged 84 years. So that is super senior citizen. See here, if he aged 84 years means 80 years and above, so he comes under super senior citizen. So condition is for the first 5 lakh no tax, then next 5 lakh income 20%, above 10 lakh income 30%, and rest conditions are same. So draw 3 column particulars and 2 amount column, and the special rate income is same as it is. You have to copy this balance income. After that the calculation will be differs. Now calculate. See, as it is, long term capital gain on 2 lakh income 20% 40,000, on short term capital gain, that is on 1 lakh income 15% 15,000, on winnings from lottery 50,000 income 30%. So total 40 15 equal to 70,000 in tax. So on balance income we have to apply tax liability. So the balance income comes to 11,50,000. So in case of super senior citizen on first 5 lakh income, tax exemption is given. On first 5 lakh income is no need to pay tax. Next, directly on 5 lakh income he has to pay 20% tax. There is no 5% tax rate for the super senior citizen. Directly 20%, that is 1 lakh he has to pay. Next, on balance income, so what is the balance above 10 lakh means 1,50,000. On 1,50,000 income he has to pay 30% tax. So that is same 45,000. So total comes to 1,45,000. So 1,45,000 plus 70,000, 2,15,000. Next we have to deduct tax rebate if any. Tax rebate under section 87A. So here if total income does not exceed 5 lakh, tax rebate 12,500 is given. So in this problem, if total income does not exceeds rupees 5 lakh, then we have to give tax rebate. So here there is no tax rebate because total income is more than 5 lakh. Next we have to add surcharge if total income is exceeding 50 lakh. So here also in this illustration no surcharge, so 2,15,000 tax on this income. On this tax we have to add education, health and education cess at 4%. How much? That is 2,15,000 into 4% is equal to 8,600. So total it comes to 2,23,600 tax liability. So here on the total income is same. So Mr. A earned total income same 15 lakh and his other income also given. So in case of 3 different age cases, see the tax liability for the final tax liability. So in case of if his age is below 60 years, tax liability will be 2,36,600. It is more. If his age is below 60 years, he has to pay more tax. If his age is if he is a senior citizen, that is age 60 to 80 years, then he has to pay tax little less, that is 2,34,000. So in case of first case he has to pay 2,36,000, right? 2,36,600. Here he has to pay 2,34,000 if his age is little more, if he is a senior citizen. So in case of super senior citizen, he has to pay 2,23,600. So from 2,34,000 to it is reduced to 2,23,600. So that is a benefit given to the super senior citizens.